in the B part of it, now they are saying comment on the following statements. Okay, now we have the given is bee sting is treated with baking soda paste. What they are saying that you can, if bee stings you, you can make use of baking soda paste, whereas wasp sting is treated with dilute vinegar. This is there because as bee sting is acidic, so if something acidic is there inside our body, so how we can treat it? We need to put some base over it. So we can say that as bee sting is acidic, whereas wasp sting is basic in nature. देखो, अगर कोई चीज एसिडिक है, उसको हम किस चीज से ट्रीट करेंगे? एक बेस से, जो कि बेकिंग सोडा पेस्ट हो गया हमारा. अगर हमें कोई चीज हमारे बॉडी में बेसिक चली गई है, वास्प ने स्टिंग कर दी है, देन हाउ वी वुड बी ट्रीटिंग इट विद द एसिड थिंग. तो डाइल्यूट विनेगर हमारा कैसा है? एसिडिक इन नेचर, राइट? Now we have the second part. They are saying farmers treat soil with quicklime when tilling. So why do they make use of this? Basically to change the nature of soil. It can be neutral or basic, whatever they require for their planting purpose. So they would be using quicklime basically to change the nature of the soil. You can write nature of soil. They can change the nature of the soil here. Now in the third part they are saying ancient sculptures and marble structures are conserved by treating them with certain chemicals. Like जैसे पुरानी चीज़ें हैं हमारे पास, स्कल्पचर्स वगैरह हैं, मार्बल के हो चाहे एशियंट हो, सो why they are actually treated with certain chemicals? Because they need to be protected from the effects of certain gases. We know we have in around many gases present. So if you want to protect from them, you need what? You need to make sure that you are treating them with certain chemicals so that they can be washed away. So here you can mention that from the effects of certain gases, we need to preserve our sculptures, and basically we would be protecting to protect from the effects of certain gases present in environment. This can be the answer here, because obviously we need to write one line sentence here, because this has only 1 marks over it. So you can say to protect from the effects of certain gases, we need to make sure that we are conserving the structures or sculptures with certain chemicals so that they don't come in contact with the gases present in the environment.